Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Tube. Today we are going to learn about the subject, and for this we have created an Angular app with the help of Angular CLI, and also we have created a component known as subject. You can see. So now we are going to create a subject object as well as a subscriber, and we will demonstrate how the subscriber will get the notification from the subject. Let us create a subject of type any that will notify with any kind of object. We will simply use as a string. Create a subscriber, and we will have to keep track of the messages, so let us create a array of a string that will hold all the messages that are being sent from the subject. We have created a subscribed one as a boolean property which will keep on tracking whether it is subscribed or not. Once you will be unsubscribed, you will not be able to receive any notification. Let us move ahead, creating the methods. This will simply take an input argument for the subscriber, and it will simply clear all the messages. We are assigning the length to 0. In JavaScript we can assign the array property length to 0 to make it clear, and we are not using that subscriber. Okay, now we are creating a method send message that will be sending from the subject observable, and once we will be sending any notification, we will be using the method next to send the message. Once we will send the message, I will simply do clear that particular text field so as to send some other message. And this is a subscribe method, and I will do nothing but subscribe to that particular subject, and once I will subscribe, I will start to receive the notifications that I'll keep on sending from that particular subject observable. We can do various functionality with that particular incoming data. Data can be of any format, it can be of any object, a complex object, but right now we are using data as simply a string of message, and with that data you can do anything. You can use that particular data in your application based on your requirement. Let us create a method send to subscriber. Like once the subject is sending any notification or emitting any notification, it will send to the subscribed object. Right now we have only one subject, then we can remove this particular type. And now once we are sending any notification, this is just sending that particular message to the subscriber, and that particular subscriber having a storage, and I am simply store that particular data so as to get it view on our HTML page. As a subscribe, we should also have unsubscribe method. that is coming from the subscriber. Once the subscriber want to unsubscribe to receive the notification, they can simply call the unsubscribe method. And I am keeping on tracking, like subscribed one is no longer has been subscribed to any subject. So now we have the subscribe, unsubscribes, and sending method. Now let us go to its HTML part. You can give the design based on your requirement. I am simply using the bootstrap designing. Let me write something that will be our view. It will show the subject as a header. I'm defining the row and columns, as you know how to define the columns in bootstrap. Let me just copy and paste all the things that are going to be in our requirement. Yeah, perfect. This will be our heading where we will send the message. This will be our, like, let us create the subscriber part. We have already created the source on the first row. Now we are creating the subscriber who will receive the notification that are being sent from the source. Let me just give you all the code right now. Yeah, perfect. You can see what we have created. Yeah, we have two buttons. One is for subscribe, and once it will be subscribed, that subscribe button will be disabled, and then unsubscribe method will be enabled. And we have a clear all messages that will simply do nothing but clearing the objects from the array. It will simply assign the length to 0 so as to make it blank. So this will be our HTML part, and we will send the notification and receive, and immediately let it visible to the view part. Let me add this selector to our app component. Yeah, there are a lot of things I have to remove. Just select all and delete, and add your selector. Yeah, now let us start. So now our browser is listening to localhost 4200 and just go through all the methods that we have created. Subscribe, unsubscribe, send to subscriber is nothing but sending the message and pushing that particular in the array. So everything is perfect here. Yeah. And in HTML part, yeah, everything is ready. We have a source called subject and we have receiver, that is subscriber 1. We can have multiple subscriber. Just copy and paste all the rows and you have to define everything on your subject component. Let me also add that forms module, as we have used this model. Maybe it will start breaking, so just add the module to app dot module. Let us see what we have done. Yeah, this is the source which will send or emit the notification we are trying to send. Oh, once I am sending it is just getting clear the message. No one is there now. Subscriber 1 has been subscribed. Now you can send any message and it will keep on receiving all the notifications like you there. Yeah, I'm sending how are you. Yeah, it is working. As soon as I'm sending any messages from the source, it is immediately getting. Now I have unsubscribed. Let us see what happened. Hey, are you there? I have sent the message, but it is not received because it is not subscribed. Now again I have cleared all the message and subscribe. Again I am sending. Perfect. You can easily subscribe and unsubscribe with the help of that methods provided. And one more thing, for the designing part we have used the bootstrap, so try to update your index.html, add the script and style. So thanks so much.